Hey everybody in Fort Stockton, this is Dr. Mary Williams and I'm going to be teaching your British Lit 1 class this semester and maybe British Lit 2 next semester. So welcome to my world. I am at my house and I'm in my personal office. I didn't do this on campus because I drive back and forth from Odessa to Midland, which is kind of a pain. Hey, I'm excited to be working with y'all this semester, your teachers, your principal, Mr. Tarpley at the WRTTC, everybody. So this is me, and I had just a couple of things I wanted to say to you. Well, more than a couple. Number one is I haven't taught this class in about 5 years, so I may make a lot of mistakes. Please bear with me through the semester. I'll do the best I can. Number two, I love British literature. It was my major for my doctorate degree. So here we are, and I get to teach it again, and I haven't taught it. So awesome. Number three, thank you all for your patience with getting this process started. I'm not at work per se this week. I know y'all are at school, and I'll get to y'all, and we'll get rolling as soon as we can. I am aware that you're not in my Canvas space yet. In other words, you've not been officially put in. You may not even be registered, but we will get there. Okay. I'm sending you a couple of videos, this one and the logging into Canvas video. Both of the links I'll send you are available on YouTube, and you can YouTube them. I am told that you all have access to computers and headphones. Wonderful. I've never taught in a classroom like that. That's cool. Okay. Let's see. What else do you need to know? I'm planning on a site visit at some point, which means I'm going to come down there and say, hey, y'all. We'll see when that will be. I honestly don't know yet. I teach 5 days a week, so we'll find out. Your resource teacher aides should have my email address and my information. I will be getting in touch with them also by email, and as soon as I have y'all in my Canvas, I will send everybody an email and say hi and repeat some of this information. You have login to Canvas access Monday coming, the 26th, after midnight. So if you happen to be up at 3 a.m., you can get in. Not till then, because that's when we officially start class, okay? Should be no problem, I hope, but I am sending you the what it should look like video and all of that. Anytime you have a problem, my strongest recommendation is that you click on one of the help links that I believe I point out in that video, and that you don't immediately call me. I can help some, but I'm not a technical person. I just use Canvas. So we have really good IT people who can help y'all. That's all that I can think of for the moment. I hope you're having a good start to your school year, and I will see you on the computer next week.